What if I told you, you could be making money while you sleep in 2025? Not chump change. I'm talking about a solid $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 every single month. Imagine waking up to notifications. Money hitting your account while you're sipping your coffee. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Now I know what you're thinking, Graham, this is another one of those get-rich-quick schemes. But hold on, this isn't about some shady pyramid scheme or gambling on meme stocks. This is about building real, sustainable income streams that work for you, even while you're living your life. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 powerful strategies to unlock your passive income potential by 2025. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, first up, let's talk about AI. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are changing the game for passive income. Imagine this, you use ChatGPT to help you write an ebook on a topic you're passionate about. Maybe it's personal finance, fitness, cooking, whatever your thing is. You use Midjourney to create eye-catching visuals and boom, you've got a digital product ready to sell. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy let you list your digital products and automate the entire selling process. People can buy your ebook or design templates 24/7, even while you're sleeping, grabbing groceries, or actually enjoying your life. No need to worry about shipping costs, inventory, or any of that headache. It's all digital. Plus, the beauty of digital products is that they're infinitely scalable. You create it once, and it can generate income for you over and over again. But Graham, what if I'm not a writer or a designer? That's okay. ChatGPT can help you write compelling sales copy, create email sequences to nurture leads, and even generate social media content to promote your products. Think about it. You could create a series of online courses teaching people valuable skills, design stunning printable templates, or even write an ebook of short stories, poems, or whatever your creative heart desires. So, ditch the limiting beliefs and embrace the power of AI. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it and creating new possibilities for passive income. Alright, let's move on to strategy number 2, building a portfolio of dividend-paying ETFs and REITs. Now some of you might be thinking, investing? That's not passive, Graham. That takes time and research and... Okay, hold your horses. I'm not talking about day trading or trying to time the market. This is about playing the long game and letting your money work for you passively. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks that track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. The best part? Many ETFs and REITs pay dividends, which are basically a share of the company's profits distributed to shareholders like you. There are tons of apps out there, like M1 Finance and Fundrise, that make investing in dividend-paying ETFs and REITs incredibly easy. You don't need to be a Wall Street hotshot or have thousands of dollars to get started. With these apps, you can start investing with as little as $10 and set up automatic investments. That means you can literally put your investing on autopilot. Each month, a portion of your money will be automatically invested in your chosen ETFs and REITs, building your passive income stream over time. And the beauty of dividends is that they're like a bonus on top of your investments. You get paid just for holding onto your investments. As your portfolio grows and you reinvest those dividends, the power of compounding kicks in, and your money starts working harder and harder for you. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, especially with all the financial jargon thrown around, but trust me, it doesn't have to be complicated. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart, consistent decisions over time and letting the power of compounding work its magic. Alright, moving on to our third and final passive income powerhouse: automated affiliate marketing funnels. Essentially, affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. Think about it, you probably recommend products and services to your friends and family all the time, right? Well, affiliate marketing just formalizes that process and allows you to earn money from your recommendations. Instead of manually reaching out to people and pitching products, you create a system that does the work for you. This typically involves building a website or YouTube channel around a topic you're passionate about. Let's say you're a fitness enthusiast. You could start a blog sharing workout tips, healthy recipes, and product reviews. Within your content, you'd naturally recommend fitness gear, supplements, or even online coaching programs that you love and use yourself. When people click on your affiliate links and make a purchase, you earn a commission, even while you're sleeping, hitting the gym, or living your life. Tools like steadily.io and ConvertKit allow you to create automated email sequences that nurture your audience, provide valuable information, and gently guide them towards making a purchase. You can also use these tools to build landing pages, create opt-in forms, and track your results all on autopilot. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock to grow your affiliate marketing business. The best part? Affiliate marketing is incredibly low risk. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. You're simply connecting your audience with valuable products and services that they're already looking for. So there you have it. 3 powerful strategies to unlock $5,000 per month in passive income by 2025. Remember, building true financial freedom takes time, effort, and consistency. But by implementing these strategies and taking action today, you can set yourself up for a brighter, more abundant future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more game-changing financial tips, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. And before you go, let me know in the comments below. 2025 is my year. I'm serious, write it down, make that commitment to yourself, and let's crush our financial goals together. Because remember, your passive income journey starts right now.